Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'll like to talk about Cardano targets updates with my customer set, just local one, and remind you the global one. So guys, you remember the global targets here. I want to hide the FIB. So global targets is it's just my personal opinion, it's conservative price targets, $1.92. It's middle one, so sooner or later, I truly believe we're gonna hit around $2, so $1.92. It will be the middle term target correction for this downtrend since September 21. New all-time high for Cardano can be 455. So I highly recommend you go and check the previously posted global video about Cardano. So let's focus now on local targets, what we can wait this summer. So by the way, the minus 0.61 is going to be around the same targets like 0.5 level by FIB. So we get a local uptrend. So we bounced. It was a break of structure. This was a local break of structure, So impulse, drop here. Highly recommend you, by the way, go and check the basic tutorial about a structure. So here, it was a break of structure, local one, bounce, and hit the high. Correction, almost test till penny 0.78 level by FIB. What I don't like we leave the echo lows. So in many cases, what I found out, we can come back and grab that liquidity. So around 50 cents, so like round number, because previously we stopped it here at 50 cents 60. At 50 cents 05, it can be the continuation of the correction. For example, if BTC dominance will go higher a little bit to 66%, for example, Bitcoin can go to hit new all-time high. Firstly, yes, altcoins can drop 27% more. For example, on Cardano, this one. Globally, also here was another break of structure, weekly time frame. So if we talk about, bullish targets, first of all, guys, this is what I wish to see now. Summer, the June, for example, and new high. Because globally, yes, in June, I'm more than bullish, right? But it's 30 days. So we can drop like in next 7 days, for example, to sweep the low, right? And skyrocket to the next 3 weeks uptrend. That's why, guys, I don't think so we'll drop again under 27 cents at this one low. No, I don't think so. Locally, like you can see, we formed the block. We formed the block yearly, monthly, weekly opens. So it looks like tiny range. 84, monthly open 68. So it's like a 20 cents range. And the most positive case scenario, if we not sweep the echo lows, we can trade between the 61 level of 0.5, local one, some build liquidity, hard it, stop losses, and going higher. So that's it, guys. Yearly open was at 84 cents, this one. So now all eyes on this echo low sweep, anyway, for continuation. I don't think so. We're gonna drop one more time like this one, because now the people too bearish now. Here, no hype, no euphoria, nothing on the chart. Even the BTC hit the new all-time high again and again and again. So why no FOMO, no euphoria? Because the altcoins still underwater, and nobody care now about a BTC. Let's be real, nobody care. Everybody's stuck in altcoins, and me also, right? So global targets, you remember the monthly candle looks kind of weird. So let's be real. Why weird? Because take a look here, pump, seller pressure. So somebody's selling it, drop, a little bit bounce, drop. Every single pumps, somebody sell, distribute it. That's why, yes, 78, 86 still looks logical. This month, I don't think so. This month, today is the last day. I think in June, but it would be good to see, of course, at least $1.97. Believe it or not, guys, but guys, you remember I explained to you. So when we see this liquidity rate, right, all the time we come back and close the 50% of that rate. So just a matter of time. And in this moment, when we will close the 50% of that rate, right, it will be the crucial moment for continuation of the uptrend move or end of cycle and the downtrend move. Because this is a global one here. Top, for example, the bottom, bounce, and anyway, the 50% of this move, it's not here. For example, here, $1.66. So it's 50% of this range. When, guys, it's hard to say. Like conclusion, once again, about a price section, this is a collapse at 49, at 48, for example. It can be the logical entry, even with the leverages, right? If you want to try open longs now, you know, of course, you can try after this local sweep of May, beginning of May, this one. It will be logical one. So here, if it's a range, you know, we form deviation, would be good to see form deviation and going higher. Up to your own risk. For me, of course, will be much better if we dump on the equal lows, because this gives the more logical reason to buy Cardano. But if it's okay for you, you know, you can accumulate at 66, after that 48, and one more time 26, for example. Average entry will be 45. For $4 potential all-time high, I think it's more than real. Now, definitely it's not an altcoin season, so we got a lot of room for growth. ADZ direction market move. Even if we compare the Cardano, right, with XRP. XRP already hit the new all-time high. Cardano not. Local one, guys. I don't want to show you once again the weekly here. Local one. Here was a signal to buy on direction. We bounced. Now nothing. No signal to buy or sell. Basically nothing, but we're in accumulation. So ADZ in accumulation. Some news. I always love this random news. And at least Cardano to $10 in 2025. This 5 catalysts could ignite the ADA. Oh, it's just random predictions. Once again, absolutely without any explanation, a technical one. Just because some hype, some rumors, some marketing news in the paid media, you know, the people start talking about $10. Why not $9.15? Always round number. 10, 20, 25, 30, $50, $100. Who more? Who can bet more? So it's just absolutely random stuff. Here, this is accumulation. This is this capitulation bounce. So this is how you can build a logic for entry. For example, capitulation, touch of almost touch 78 level fee, capitulation here, bounce. Now nothing. So it was the A3. Now it's a positive, only the positive on Cardano chart. So we still got a room for growth. Even on a daily for intraday, guys. Money power. Here, step by step, money inflow pump, money inflow pumps, money outflow. Here, once again, we get a money inflow. Of course, would be good to see just this sweep and go higher and come back later, you know, to grab liquidity of equal lows. Maybe even in August, who knows? So now we get like money inflow today. Weekly, nothing. Was money outflow. So capitulation, yes, guys, if we form something like this one, and here we're going to build the money inflow. Capitulation, I mean something like this. Yes, it's going to be the pretty wild, right? But we can just track current situation in the markets. Take a look, guys. Trade on a daily. Was signal to buy, sell, buy back, sell. Now no new signal to buy. A less indicator, guys, take profit. Here, buy line, this is what I mean. Buy line, and now it's 47.98. Yes, guys, it's more than real to see the 47.98 buy line again. Is it necessary? I don't think so. I don't think so. We already tested, but I don't like we leave the equal lows. It's like, you know, this pull under a lot of stop losses, so it's main liquidity. So the market maker can easily just hunt liquidity, grab the stop losses, and liquidate all these guys with that liquidation will be like full, you know, for the uptrend. 12 time frame kind of bad a little bit. So 48.58 also the buy line. Here we drop between the buy line and fair value. Now would be good to see the logical test of the buy line. So you can add even alert to track the buy line on the day on 12 time frame. Take profits on buy line. We will see. We will see. Yesterday I saw the buy line here on OM triggered. Here also it's not at the volume. Take profit line yesterday triggered on SSV, and take profits triggered on NMR. So it was an amazing example how the indicator is playing out. So guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please send a comment what you think about Cardano, current situation. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.